good policing, and I wish them the very best.
The Khadc is looking to replicate some of the best practices of the Bhutan government in the management and protection of the environment. While speaking to reporters after the meeting with the delegation of the Center of Bhutan and GNH Studies here on Friday, Khadc CAM Pinyat Singh's Aim said that they have always been impressed about how Bhutan has managed to preserve and protect the environment without stopping the growth engine to advance. He said that they have tried to highlight to the delegation from Bhutan how the council functions within the framework of the Indian Constitution. Meanwhile, the Center of Bhutan and GNH Studies researcher Kancho Dema said that they have learned a lot about the judicial power of the land tenure system of the indigenous tribe here.
Te kani ka jing kundu ka jongi bat ki ka long ba ki wan ban kwa ban tip kham banya shu shu bai de ki jing trai kam jong ki EDC hang ni pot Meghalaya te kham tam ki EDC ki bai de ka benta bai de kariti ka dustut nadu ka sinshar khadar tanrai ka bingidan ilai kran ru shpang ka jing yade ba ka khoi ka suba ka solid waste management nang tang nilai kran ru habai day but ka yo ka kot jong ki EDCs
Nongpo MLA Mirror